Alright. The marketing strategy that scales clothing brands. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little cold. I should have brought my jacket. I'm only doing 2 videos today. And so it is, scaling actually means not just viral posts. Customer journey explained. Ryan Dice. It's funnels. Retargeting. Organic paid combo strategy. You want to post organically, and gain paid. Retargeting. Why losing money with people probably don't even know it exists. You can go back and retarget the same people who almost purchased, who watched most of your video, who put it to cart and they didn't purchase. And then the next time they might actually purchase. You put the ad in front of them. Turn their attention into consistent revenue. I build this for clients. The link is below. Click below. Yeah, now I'm gonna just do / my own advices. Like I'm speaking this. What's it called? Hell yeah, I'm trying to do 90-day runs, get a dishwasher, get my rest of my things is gonna be great once I do the old school 90-day runs. I mean, I'm doing this right here, building my personal brand. This shit right here is a long time. Yeah, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. The link is below. I build brands. The link is below. You can literally just have a budget and start one, and we can get going. Book a call. I help build brands. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe.